In this video, I'll show you how to disable pop-up notifications in Microsoft Teams so you can stay focused without constant interruptions. If those notification banners keep appearing while you're working, this quick guide will help you quiet things down while still keeping important updates visible inside Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer, or open it in your web browser if you're using the web version. In the top right corner of the app, click on your profile picture or initials. Right beside it, you'll see the three-dot menu. Click on that to open more options, then select Settings. When the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left and click on Notifications. This section lets you control how and when Teams alerts you. Scroll down until you reach the Chat section, which manages notifications for direct messages, mentions, and reactions. Under Chat, find the option called Chat Message Notifications. This setting controls the pop-up banners you see for new messages. By default, it's set to Show in Banner, which causes those alerts to pop up on your screen. Click the drop-down menu next to it and change the setting to Off or only Show in Feed. If you choose Off, chat message alerts will be completely muted. If you select Only Show in Feed, new messages will still appear in your activity feed inside Teams, but you won't see pop-up banners on your screen. For most users, Only Show in Feed is the best option because it reduces distractions without missing messages. Next, adjust mentions and reactions. Still within the Chat section, locate the settings for mentions and for likes and reactions. These are often set to appear in both the activity feed and as pop-ups. Click the drop-down menus for each and change them to Only Show in Feed. This way, you'll still know when someone mentions you or reacts to your message, but the alerts won't interrupt your workflow. Once you're done, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically. That's all for this tutorial on turning off pop-up notifications in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.